Hey y'all, so I'm going to make some more of the oatmeal bites in the morning, not the banana ones, but the peanut butter ones. These are the energy bites. And I'm gonna go ahead and double them up because they are excellent in the freezer. So that means I don't have to cook them, or if they're not cooked, I don't have to fix them very often if I have them already mixed up, right? All right, so I'm doubling it. So it's a cup of oatmeal for a single, then half a cup of flaxseed, but I'll go ahead and do a cup. All right, a third of a cup of honey. So doubling it will be 2/3. I'm eyeballing it with a measuring cup. Getting low, 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 low. Let me sit that down, see if I can hold that two-handed. That's getting heavy. Come on. I'm gonna have to soften up that part. It'll melt. That's honey too. It just needs to be warmed up. Y'all know that's my Wild Rose honey. I always use their honey. All right, approximately 2/3. And I absolutely love my crunchy peanut butter. It gives it the crunch that I love. Caitlin does not like the crunchy. And it is 2/3 cup, so I'm gonna need, I'm eyeballing it about that much because I'm doubling. And I love peanut butter, so I can assure you if it's too much, it's all right. A teaspoon of vanilla. Times 2. All right, while I was letting that oatmeal get a little softer, you know, just sitting here for 15, 20, actually it hadn't been 15 minutes, it's been 13 minutes. I went and got ready for the day. I was getting there, but I had not quite made it. So I'm going to try, that's the coconut flakes and the toasted almonds. So I'm just gonna get a normal scoop like I normally do. And you can do semi-sweet chocolate. It actually calls for, let's see, half of a cup per recipe. So I used dark chocolate last time, but I kind of wanted to try it with no chocolate just to see, because I actually love the peanut butter taste. But I wanted to just try it because I saw these in my pantry, and I'm like, I think I'd gotten them for another recipe one time, and I didn't ever do the recipe apparently. So I'm just gonna see what it tastes like, because it says that you could do all kinds of add-ins with this. You could even add cranberries. Ooh, I actually do have some cranberries too. I don't know, cranberries and peanut butter, it might be okay, I don't know. All right. There's some coconut. Here we go. Let's see how it tastes. All kinds of yummy. I don't know if I didn't have a lot of coconut in mine. I felt like I did, but it just gave it just a hint. So if you're not, I mean, you may have to put a little more if you love coconut, but no, it was fine to me. I can tell it's in there because of the texture when I'm chewing. I really like these toasted almonds in it, that extra crunch. But now that's why I love my crunchy peanut butter, because of the crunch. Let me see if I can get up more of the coconut. But it does not have like a huge coconut taste, but I'm gonna taste it without it. I really like the nuts. Let me try this one without it first. That one's just plain Jane. Okay. I love plain Jane. Let me see which way I like better though. I may do 50/50. I like them in it. Just gives it like a subtle extra sweetness, but it's not overly coconutty, because that's what I didn't want. And I love the crunch from the toasted almonds. Yeah, I think I'm gonna add some. All right, I'm gonna make up my bites. Alrighty, I'm not sure how much to add, so I'm just gonna sprinkle some. And sprinkle some of this. All right, y'all, got them all made. I'm gonna stick them in a Ziploc bag and stick them on in the freezer, because they don't take no time to thaw out. And I tasted them, believe me. You know I did, and they are good. So not too coconutty, but I love the crunch from those almonds. So that's what they look like now. And I love the no chocolate in them. So, all right, y'all have a great day. Love y'all.